Hey, what is up? Today I thought I'd show you a neat little one-liner that is useful for finding out what different kind of files you're working with in a specific directory. So we can begin with photos. And we want to find like how many JPEGs are there, how many PNGs are there, how many GIFs are there. And for that we'll use find, which is a tool that searches for files. And it does this recursively, so when we specify the folder we want to find files in, we don't have to specify that it should search in subdirectories. It'll do that automatically. But so we find all files in cell phone pics, and now we want to filter out the extensions. So we pipe that into sed, which is a useful tool for filtering text or like searching and replacing. So we pipe that into sed, and we want to use a regular expression where we search for a group with, that's going to be the file name, and then a group with the extension, and then we will replace the whole path with the extension, so that's group number 2. And now the file name can be any character at least once, and the extension is a dot. Notice the backslash there, because we want an actual dot and not any character, and then any character at least once. So that gives us a nice output of all file extensions in that folder. And now we want to count them, and for that we'll use unique. So unique flag C will count them, and flag I will ignore case. So we'll smash together capital and small letters. But notice here that we don't get a nice number for everything. There's a lot of JPEGs, a lot of MP4s here, and that's because unique only filters adjacent matching lines. And as we saw here, these are adjacent but they're not matching. So the unique tool will only count these JPEGs, and then only count these MP4s and these JPEGs, and so on. So we won't get one single nice number for each file format, which is what we want. So before counting them with unique, we'll sort them first to make sure that every file extension is for itself. And then lastly we'll pipe it into another sort again in a descending order of, ascending order of how many there are of each file. So there we see that I have a lot of JPEGs, some videos in MP4 format, 2 GIFs and 1 PNG. If we go to my code and execute the same, and now we don't want to find cell phone pics, but we want to find files in this folder. And now we see, oh, I have a lot of PNGs, a lot of JavaScript, and a lot of different files. Yeah, but that was it for this video. I hope you'll find that useful.